Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video on navigating your way through K2. In this video, we will be focusing on the very unique Ask Nicole feature we got going on our K2 platform, as well as diving deeper on how to create your very own portfolio. As you can see, there are 4 buttons on this page. A button that would help us on what stocks to look at, a feature that would analyze our own portfolio, and some help to check sectors and industries with price momentum. So now let's dive deeper on the first button. When you click on it, just simply input the needed information such as the market you would be going in for and the amount of money you are thinking of investing. So you can see that our platform will tell you which categories you should invest on, how many stocks you should buy, and how much money you expect to make. If you click on the animal logos, it would go straight to the part that lists stocks in this category. Now, to add on stocks to our portfolio, simply just browse the list of stocks that are seen on the website. And once you have found the ideal stocks that you would be investing on, just drag your mouse on the far end of that stock and press the add button and click on the add to portfolio. It would require you to fill up the entry price and the quantity. Once that is all done, we can go ahead and check on the portfolio section by looking at the upper middle of the screen and pressing the portfolio tab. Here, you would be able to check the different stocks that you have invested on. It would show you all necessary information to keep you posted on the happenings of the stocks that you have. The ability to analyze your portfolio to determine the optimal course of action for your objectives is yet another useful tool we provide. You may discover this information on the Ask Nicole tab or here in the Portfolio tab. So in order for you to use it, just press this button and it will just ask you for a little bit of information. Then after, it will start to analyze the portfolio you have. It will show details of your current portfolio as well as recommendations to make it better. Lastly, I would also like to mention the other feature we have with Ask Nicole. So as I mentioned a while ago, we can give you information on sectors and industries with price momentum. In order for you to know such information, simply just click on the 2 far right buttons seen on the screen. This would supply you with the information that you are looking for. So just feel free to explore this section more all by yourself. Well, that's basically all the things you need to know in order to fully maximize the use of these features on K2. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the following tutorial videos we have lined up for you. See you on the next video.